Hi, and I help cooks, housewives, and chefs through my YouTube channel to ensure that their meals are both delicious and nutritious. If this appeals to you, click the subscribe button for more information on how to reach your culinary objectives and bring more pleasure into your kitchen and your life. Starting if you want. Cooking may be a pleasant hobby for a lot of individuals. It is something that helps you escape the trivial routine of everyday life. Are you seeking the very finest, most mouthwatering dishes that have been created by the very greatest chefs around the world? You should check out this cooking tips. Each recipe comes with its own accompanying image or video, as well as information on the components of the dish, how to prepare it, how long it should be cooked, and its nutritional worth. With these incredible recipes from some of the world's most renowned chefs, we hope to be able to assist you in the preparation of some really mouthwatering dishes. Crispy Smoked Salmon. The whole process of making crispy smoked salmon takes 45 minutes and yields 3 dozen crisps. Recipe. Turn the oven on to 375 degrees. Parchment 2 baking sheets. Mix flour, sugar, and salt in a bowl. Whisk the egg white. Cream the butter. Spread tablespoons of batter into 2.5-inch circles on prepared baking sheets. After sprinkling with sesame seeds, the tuiles should bake for approximately 8 minutes in the top and center thirds of the oven, with the pans rotated halfway through baking. Wait. Mix the salmon with the onion, chopped chives, lime juice, and a little bit of ground white pepper in a medium bowl. Arrange the salmon on the tuiles, then top with the creme fraiche and the chives. Squid and shellfish Pici Pasta. Active time to prepare squid and shellfish Pici Pasta is 40 minutes and total time 70 minutes, and it yields about 4. Recipe. Heat olive oil in a saucepan. Add garlic and simmer over low heat, stirring, for 2 minutes. Cook 1 cup parsley, red pepper, and salt until dry. Boil flavors. Cover and braise squid over low heat, continuously, for 30 minutes. 5 minutes to crispy in salted boiling water, drain. Add clams, mussels, and mussels to the squid while the pasta cooks. Cover and cook clams and mussels for 3 minutes over high heat. Uncover and cook for 4 minutes until crabs and prawns open and the liquid is reduced. Add the pasta, marinated peppers, lemon juice, and remaining 1/4 cup parsley and simmer, stirring, for 3 minutes. Add salt. Serve the spaghetti immediately. Green mango meal with a fiery kick and smoked salmon. The green mango dish with a hot kick and smoked salmon may be prepared in 20 minutes, and it can be cooked in 5 minutes. Recipe. Crack the skin and flake the smoked mackerel pieces. Prepare a frying pan with 2 centimeters of oil and heat it to 190 degrees Celsius. If you want your fish to be extra crispy, deep fry it for a full minute after sprinkling it with flour. It's probably going to fuse together now, but that's okay. Fish should be transferred to a large sheet of kitchen paper, let to cool, and then broken up into pieces once again. Soy sauce with miso braised black cod. The active time to produce this dish is 30 minutes, and the marinate time is 8 hours, for a total time of 8 hours and 35 minutes and a yield of around 6 servings. Recipe. The mirin and sake should be heated to boiling in a small saucepan. The miso should be whisked in to dissolve. Toss in the sugar and stir-fry over low heat until dissolved. Put the marinade in a big baking dish and refrigerate until it's cold. Put the fish in the bowl and stir to coat. To chill, cover, and place in the fridge overnight. Turn the oven temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a hot grill pan by greasing it with oil. Get the fish away from the marinade. When the pan is hot, add the fish and cook for 2 minutes on each side, or until browned. The fish should be roasted for 10 minutes on a heavily loaded baking sheet after being flipped over. To serve, divide among dishes and top with pickled ginger. Ending, if you want. I doubt there's a perfect recipe. It's the kind of thing that can only be mastered via experience. Studying others' cooking is crucial. Combine their thoughts with yours to be successful. You must be open to new ideas. Failure is natural. How much did you like watching this video? Feel free to ask me anything in the comments. If you're interested in seeing more videos on different culinary recipes and ways to improve your quality of life, be sure to subscribe to our channel to remain updated.